Hello and welcome to the D127 Community Spotlight. This is an opportunity for our D127 families to learn more about resources that are offered in our community. My name is Kate Oldenburg and I'm the Prevention and Wellness Coordinator at Grayslake Central.
Hi, and I'm Joe Alger, Prevention Wellness Coordinator at Grayslake North.
So today we'd like to welcome our guest, Gail Weil. She is the Executive Director of Community Youth Network in Grayslake. Gail, our goal today is to ask three simple questions. Tell us about your organization, tell us what services you provide, and how can our families get more information. So Gail, welcome and tell us about Community Youth Network.
Hi, everybody. Well, Community Youth Network changed its name several years back to CYN Counseling Center because people thought we just treated youth, and we treat people of all ages. We were founded in 1978, and we are a nonprofit. We are a comprehensive community-based counseling center that anybody can access. We treat people of all ages, all ethnicities. There's no prerequisites to you coming to have our services. We take all major insurances, including we have a sliding scale and we have free services for those that qualify. Our vision is a society where mental illness is, or I'm sorry, mental wellness is embraced, where all people have access to needed quality mental health services, are treated with dignity and respect, and receive the support, tools, and services that they need to grow and thrive. And we really work to keep kids out of the child welfare and juvenile justice systems because we know once kids enter those systems, their outcomes are much significantly reduced. So our services, let me pull up my service slide. We do counseling for people of all ages. We do in-office counseling. We do services via telehealth, and we're also school-based. We're currently in 19 schools across northern Lake County. We have a growing resilient teens program, which is innovative. It's a working farm. It's holistic. It's hands-on experiences for kids and really gets kids thinking about their confidence and their strengths in different ways. We have a nurturing families parent education program that helps parents nurture their kids and learn how to discipline more effectively with nurturance and not punitive means. We also have a therapeutic mentoring program, and this is for older teens, young adults who are struggling to matriculate into adulthood. It's community-based. They do lots of community-based endeavors together, the mentors and the mentees, and we have really good success rates in those programs. We also have an Intact Families program. This is for kids, parents that are indicated for child abuse, or they may be kids that are in foster care. But we're really working to prevent any further abuse. We're working to make sure that parents are, that their strengths are shored up and that we address any deficits that they may have in their parenting. We have a crisis 24/7. If a kid is locked out or run away, we will respond and we will make sure that child has adequate housing for the night. And then we will work to make sure that those kids and those parents are reunited. And then finally, we have an employee assistance program. We work with several agencies and organizations in the area to provide counseling for their employees. And we know that when employees, like anybody, have better mental health, they do better at their jobs. So this is a real cost savings for employers. We also provide a lot of community education on all sorts of topics, and we're available for just about anything. We have over 23 counselors here, so we have a wealth of expertise and can speak on just about any topic. So you can access us very simply, and we'll talk about that in a minute, but I want to just give you a snapshot of our impact in the community. In our mentoring program, 82% of our kids improve their coping and problem-solving skills and self-esteem. In our crisis program, 88% of those kids were returned home. Our school therapy students, 82% increase in the numbers that we've served, but there's also an 85% increase in kids that feel like they achieved their stated goals, that they had a reduction in distressing symptoms, or that they learned more coping skills. We had over 200 parents helped in our nurturing parenting program, and we saw a 21% increase in our numbers coming through intact and in our program to keep at-risk families together. And finally, in our Growing Resilient Teens program last year, we had 31 students that graduated that program and built resilience and navigated challenges. So we're very proud of those statistics. And the mental health need never seems to end. In fact, it's growing. Last year, we saw a 30% increase in people that needed mental health support.
That's terrific.
And I'm sorry, get back to my slide. You can contact us through cyncounseling.org or info@cyncounseling.org, or you can call us at 847-548-6000. And you can reach me at Gail W at cyncounseling.org. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Gail. We really appreciate you sharing with our families and meeting with us today.
Thank
You
you,
bet.
Gail.